Here we go!
I am ready to put on a show!
Go, go, go! We're in trouble now. I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge.
Bye, have a great time! Help! Help!
Hey, what happened?
Let me out!
Yeah, let's go.
I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge. Squad! Go, go, go!
Aha! Got him! Nice, nice.
I'm going to kill some kids today. I'm looking for the chubby ones. I'm going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun. Bye. Oh, hello.
Wow! Congratulations!
Oh yeah! Aha! Come on!
Jay, is that you? What happened? How did Rod capture Liz?
Yes, you! I know you have Liz, and I want you to release her.
Hey, what happened?
Here I go!
Stupid boy! You have the guts to face me, huh? But you're not fat enough to be useful to me. Wait a second. There's an easy solution to that. Yahoo!
Oh, hello!
Oh, yes. You tell me, sweet little boy.
Oh no!
Uh-oh.
I got an idea!
Okay, okay. Bror, niemand boeit! Eisen, eisen!
Too easy!
Wow! Congratulations!
Whoa, amazing!
Let's go!
Hi, you're a great team.
Oh yeah!
Goody, he's here.
Come on!
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them
Bye.
Very good.
Eisen, eisen!
Okay, let's go!
Oh yeah!
Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye, have a great time! Oh, hello! talking about? Leave me alone.
Roar, niemand buoyt!
You're a great team.
Nicer, nicer!
I like that.
Hey,
Wow! Congratulations!
Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Yes, you. I know you have Liz, but I want you to release her.
hey, it's me, Goku!
You know I can't resist you. Goody, he's here.
Let's go, let's go.
Uh-oh.
Hooray! Question mark? Amazing!
Come on.
Too easy. Piece of cake. oh, yeah. You tell me, sweet little boy. Bye.
Come on, step it up.
Oh, yeah. They fall for the same trick every time.
Okay, let's go.
I'm not afraid of that stupid ice cream maker. How did you not tell me that Rock and my sister? Are we not friends anymore?
Bye, have a great time.
Oh, hello.
We're in trouble now.
Let's go, let's go.
Okay.
Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Hello, cutie pie.
Na 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 na.
Okay, let's go.
I am ready to put on a show.
Yahoo!
Wow, wow, wow. Ta-da. Here we go.
Here I go.
Na 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 na. Oh yes!
Come on.
Okay. Wow! Congratulations!
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Bye, have a great time.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Hello.
Here we go.
Okay.
Hello, cutie pie.
Yes, yes.
Go, go, go.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
boys? Many doors, yes? Too much for couch potato head boys like yourselves.
Let's go, let's go.
Wow! Amazing!
Here I go!
Okay.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Oh, yes!
Okay, let's go! Yes! Yes!
Go, go, go!
Wow! Amazing! Bye, have a great time!
Good morning! おはようございます
Oh, hello.
Good job!
ドリドリドリドリ Wow! Congratulations! Hello! I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge!
Wow! Amazing!
Here we go.
Go, go, go! Oh, yes!
Oh, what a beautiful chunk.
Good job!
Hi, kids. Did you think I'm dumb?
Woohoo! We are a great team. Please! Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Good job!
I'm not afraid of that stupid ice cream maker.
Yay!
Haha, you're a great team.
Yahoo!
How did you not tell me that Rod had my sister?
Okay, let's go!
Da-da-da! Good job!
Yes. In the end, I managed to jump at one of the stops. You are a brute. Get out of here. Boy, we have come home.
We're in trouble now.
I am ready to put on a show.
やれば愛情おいしく用意してやるぜいっぱいおいしくしてやるぜ I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge! Bye-bye!
Let's go, let's go.
Yes! Yes! Okay, let's go!
Okay.
Okay, let's go!
Let's go, let's go.
Yay! Oh, yes! Okay.
Here I go!
Here we go.
Hello, cutie pie.
Hooray! Question mark? Wow! Amazing!
Okay.
Okay, let's go! Hooray! Question mark?
Hello, Ed Boys. Many dollars, yeah? Too much for couch potato Ed Boys like yourselves.
Bye, have a great time!
Bye.